Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that NFPrompt token. Now before I start the video, I share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. NFPrompt NFP is a Web3 platform that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain to empower users to create, own and monetize AI generated digital content and services. AI powered creativity hub. It provides tools for generating art, stories, and videos, rewarding creators directly on chain. Core utility token. The NFP token fuels the ecosystem used for transactions, rewards, and governance with a deflationary burn mechanism evolving into AI trading. The platform is expanding beyond creativity into autonomous AI driven cryptocurrency trading systems. NFPrompt project institution rating is 3.6. NFPrompt token total supply is 956 million and circulating supply is around 576.13 million NFP token. NFP token is listed on Binance, KuCoin, WingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.